Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Teacher Anna and today I'm going to attempt to create a video of what goes on my screen. Okay, let's take a look at, I just finished a class with Miss Aileen. She's a professional accountant here in the Philippines, and we're starting with a program called Grammar for Professionals. So we've already had three lessons actually. For the first lesson, we used a worksheet on fluency, but we decided after that she needs to develop her foundations for grammar first in order for her to become a more effective professional, especially in writing and speaking at work. So for lesson two, which happened today, we discussed punctuations in particular, and she said that she learned a lot. Module 2 would be our next module 2 on verb tenses would be our next lesson. Okay, and what you're seeing here on my screen is Eileen's class notes, and this is in Google Form. So if I click on the hyperlink on the class notes, okay, you will be directed to my lesson on Google, saved in Google Drive. It's in PDF file. Your online IELTS tutor, this used to be my brand, but now it's IELTS Anna. But of course, even though this is my brand, IELTS, okay, I still teach business English, okay, corporate communications, punctuation. So let's scroll down. Module 1. Okay. So this module or material is something that I created in the past, and it turns out that it's very highly in demand among professionals in the Philippines, not just in the Philippines but actually worldwide. I found out over my years of experience, I found out that the needs of professionals in general all over the world, okay, are more or less the same. Okay, they need to learn or go back to the basics of grammar, like learn the rules on punctuations, conjunctions, the use of commas, and so on and so forth. Now I need to figure out how to